it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up, better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do the slim, thick feed-in braids. These are 6 feed-in braids, and the color is like the 1B27 color, all right? So here I am just going to go ahead and pre-part. I'm going to part her hair on the right hand side, and then I'm just going to kind of stem all the parts from that part on the right hand side. All right, I'm going to curve them to the front and then curve them going to the back. Alrighty, okay. So guys, here I am. I'm just going to part and braid, part and braid. You don't have to worry about the little braids or parting a section from the little braids. You're just going to literally pull a slither off of the big braids and make that little braid as you are going. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and braid all the braids to the very, very back. So that is what I'm doing right now. Like I stated, just pre-parting is only 6 braids.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up, better than feeling like I need your love.
Alright y'all, so once I am done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and start on the right hand side and just migrate towards the left hand side when it comes to how I'm going to do the braids. Alright, so right here I'm just going to use the even edge control, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that edge control on the sides of the part. I'm also going to part it down the middle for the stitching, and I'm going to put the even edge control in the middle as well. I know I have really long nails, guys. Well, not really long. They're not really long, but they're long. But I'm not really going to use that to part. I'm going to use a comb to part. I feel like it gives more accurate results, and it just gives me more grip, gripping room, because I'm not really gripping with my nails. I'm just gripping with my fingers, okay? Even though the nails are attached, I'm gripping with my fingers, guys. I know this isn't the best angle, but I will improve the angle as the video goes on, okay? But I did want you guys to see this angle so you can see how everything is kind of parted and how I part all the braids and how everything is going to go. Okay, it's going to go down, and it's going to kind of curve towards the back hand side. But like I stated, as time go by, you will see better views. All right, so if you guys don't know how to do stitch braids, I have so many videos on how to do stitch braids. So if you guys are interested in that, just comment below and I will tag it in the comments below. Yeah guys, but like I said, this is not necessarily a tutorial. I do have a tutorial coming, and this is actually the same style. It's just in the color 1B. This is just more so kind of like, a video so you guys can see what's going on and just kind of get a general idea of what I'm doing. So, okay guys, so let me tell you something. So my client basically got the wrong hair, so we did not have enough of hair, guys. It's only 6 feed-in braids, but since our hair was thick, I was able to kind of thug it out for not having enough braiding hair to make it super, super full at the bottom. You know how when you're braiding the braids to the back, I like the back to be like really, really full and the braids to be pretty thick when you're having those feed-ins, because I don't like spaces. But guys, we did not have enough hair, so what I ended up doing was stitching the braids together in the back. If you guys are interested in seeing a video like that, seeing me stitch braids in the back, then just go ahead and let me know. But for the most part, yeah girl, yeah, it's pretty simple. So I didn't show that part in this. My camera my phone ended up running out of storage or whatever. So like I said, I'm just waiting for my camera to get fixed, and then I'll be able to kind of give you guys better quality videos probably by next week. I drop it off to Best Buy next week, so we're gonna see how long it takes them to fix the SD card. slots or whatever. So yeah, guys, so you guys gonna be able to, get endless footage. I'll be able to film the entire time and film all my clients, but since I'm doing it for my phone, it takes a lot of storage and time, so I'm not able to film all the styles that I want. But as far as the little braids, guys, I'm literally just going to part a skinny section off the next braid. And I'm going to do these little braids in between all of the feeding braids, all right? So I'm just going to do that. And I'm not going to do a stitch. The braid is too small to do a stitch. So I'm just going to braid a regular braid. And I'm going to just braid it down. And then the next braid that I braid, the feeding braid, I'm going to connect that braid with that next braid, okay? And then, of course, I'm going to dip the ends. You guys are going to be able to see that, me dip the ends and sealing the hair and kind of finishing everything up, all right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys in my next video, and I love you guys. Bye.
Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is upside down. I can't help but wish that you were here with me right now. These nights are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, my body forgot how to move. Girl, you took the most of me. I'll just keep on drinking till the sun comes up. Get the feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating.